quotation man. Yeah, Raptor. Ngeke phela wow lambile mina. Excuse me. Igunya lami belistalile. Ngeke phela. Kumele selilontunja lana. I-quotation engapheli. Engabe adinga iqedele quotation ngayi sendele umuntu. Manje ishintshile sesitimo sisayifunda. Sisayifunda le ndlela leni yokwenza. Yabona nje kunini ngibele senta eyodwa. Manje customer selifuna ibe fully packed. Yonke into kuyiletha. Manhlanganisa ama price. Ningithanazise phela. Ukuthi lithathe. Hey guys. Mafutha. Sine event. Lake Island Game Reserve. Saturday nge-11 nange-12. So besiphethe amabhakhi lapha mufuna ukutest driver woza.
Saturday.
Isicela sithi imali bani masihlangene?
Yena kwani? Enze quotation sisi. Kodwa sofa i-customer la.
Kanjani
manje customer lapha ya. Alinde ukuza la for ilokuzayo. For i-code asiqedele lapha ya.
Mina nxa usasifaka uphozo ngamanje ayenzeki vele. Angathi sihlanganisa into njani?
Yena ngenzeki.
Oh siqedela lapha phezulu silana. Yiloko kuphela sikufakayo.
No wonder on a Monday.
Yiloko sikufakayo.
What's ayifake lapho zona.
Checker i-roadside isafini.
Manje ama FNI products la manje ngithi. Dealer i okay, nokulungile kuma ke la.
Siqedile la. Delete ya.
Keep low. Okay, sharp. Shona ezansi ke manje. Scroll shona ezansi. Ngena lapha ku admin. Yazo. Faka manje.
Sayivoba nala.
Yeah. Involve mangafuni.
Licensing.
LIC. Nange also uvele. Licensing new. Yeah, faka 2.5. 2,500 nali.
2.5.
Right. SOP the for the admin. Delivery. Evolve.
I said, oh. So evolve.
Yeah, delivery.
Just a deliver.
Delivery new.
Delivery fee.
Yeah. Okay, so we are parallel paya 6.5. 6,500. Okay, sharp. Super delay into your comment.
There's no trading whatsoever.
No deposit,
no
nothing.
deposits, nothing. So sitting like you wanted a cut here since the training. Start a balana.
I get to 1212 excluding VAT. 13
then
VAT. Okay, so save changes.
Save changes.
Right. Anyway.
Save it.
Save it. Yeah, phezulu. So okay, it back.
Save it.
Yeah, click back phezulu.
Okay.
Yeah, what back?
Now, yeah. Connect.
Yeah, click back. So we are going. Okay, yeah, the Google codes.
Okay,
Google codes.
Oh, my God.
Codes. We are so gonna okay. Young there's option to go slide to show.
Oh, 9 nigga.
Okay, 3 dots.
Look.
Yes. Download PDF. That's all quotation here.
Hey, again, he won 10 total. 10 total. 1.3.
Yeah.
You know that?
Yeah, it's not bad.
No, at all.
It's not bad. Okay, so I print out the ones.
Ngingam-email
Ufuna ungimelela? Ukulungela it lapha. Faka PDF lapho.
Save as PDF.
No. Microsoft Print PDF.
It's PDF.
Yeah, izonikeza. Okay, to print one lapha ezansi. Okay, then print. Alright, faka umsomi. Faka umsomi, Mr. Msomi uzana.
How?
So.
Usaphumile ayikho namsebenzini?
Awusidlala lo. Awusidlala lo.
Ma.
Coach. Raptor.
Hayi ucoach wakho.
Ukhona right nje la.
Lo.
Hayi wena.
This is Portuguese. Portuguese. Coach.
You want to out?
Save.
Save it.
It's Portuguese. Save.
Okay. Ngena ma emails email lo. Landela ama customer.
Hey, system entsha. Sisayifunda. Ubulogo nakeke iminyaka. Ubulogo mphethe kazi. Iminyaka. Umangabe nginokuthi kodwa wena awuzangisho. Impilweni ubulogo ngithemba. Ubulogo. Color, both sides, no. Print on one side is. Nigga manje customer in quotation. Okay, we will amend it. For now, I just want to see. Hi. Oh, I definitely do. Now you question the popular. I do need a business card. I'm thinking. Okay, let me call my customer. Guys, bye. I'm sorry, bye. You're being live.